We begin in our nation's capital, where the Trudeau government has tabled the 2023 budget, focused on helping Canadians with the high cost of living, investing in public health care, and investing in the green economy. Matt Ingram joins us live in studio with the details. A lot covered there, Matt.
Quite a bit, Taz. The federal government is promising more than $8 billion in new program spending this year alone, projecting the deficit to climb to more than $40 billion. That's $10 billion more than was forecast in the fall economic statement, and that's because of this new spending and a worsening economy. Finance Minister and Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland delivered a budget that she says aims to promote economic growth without making inflation any worse. It's a difficult balance, as economists say deficits drive inflation up. Some of the most notable items include more than $46 billion in funding for provincial health systems, $13 billion to expand dental care coverage for lower-income Canadians, a 30% tax credit for clean technology manufacturing, a 15% tax credit for clean energy investments. Now take a listen to some of Freeland's speech to the Commons.
I am so proud to announce the creation of a new Canadian dental care plan. By the end of 2023, we will begin rolling out a dental care plan that will eventually cover up to 9 million uninsured Canadians.
To help with the high cost of living, the feds are offering a grocery rebate for lower-income Canadians, as much as $467 a year for a family of four and $225 for seniors. The GST tax credit is expected to cost Ottawa $2.5 billion. When it comes to the economy, inflation is expected to remain high, but also continue to decline from its peak last June, returning to the level the Bank of Canada would like to see by the second quarter of next year. The government is forecasting an economic slowdown, telling Canadians to expect a shallow recession this year. Real GDP growth in 2023 is expected to decline significantly. And the historically low unemployment rate is expected to climb this year from about 5% now to 6.3% by the end of the year. Now, opposition leaders were quick to react, speaking with reporters about the budget outside the House.
Today's budget by the costly coalition of the NDP and Liberals is a full frontal attack on the paychecks of hardworking Canadians. It equals $4,200 per family in new government spending. That's more inflation, more taxes, and more costs for everyday people.
Yeah, I'm really proud that we were able to force this government to expand dental care. That's going to save money for families. That's going to mean that they're going to be able to take care of their teeth. And it's the biggest expansion of our healthcare system in a generation. It's truly going to be life-changing, and it's something that we're really proud of. That's going to really help Canadians in a real concrete way. And we're also proud that we forced this government to save people money, put more money back in their pockets with the GST rebate.
One change from previous forecasts, the government is no longer predicting a return to surplus by 2027-28. Instead, this budget predicts the deficit will be $14 billion by then.